Welcome to Pratik Granary, Sector 150, Noida. एक बात जो इस प्रोजेक्ट को सबसे डिफरेंट बनाती है, एंड आई विल बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि वेग क्लेम्स ना तो आपको समझ आते हैं और ना ही आपको आने चाहिए। Pratik Group has been building for over 20 years. They have delivered more than 20 million square feet and they have helped 50,000 families find their dream homes. There is a moment when you are standing somewhere and you just know that this place is going to matter. And guess what? I am having that feeling right now. Welcome to Pratik Granary, Sector 150, Noida. And I am very sure that by the end of this video, you are going to feel exactly what I am feeling right now. Noida had seen a lot of residential projects, a lot of promises. लेकिन एक बात जो इस प्रोजेक्ट को सबसे डिफरेंट बनाती है, एंड आई विल बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट दैट, क्योंकि वेग क्लेम्स ना तो आपको समझ आते हैं और ना ही आपको आने चाहिए। Pratik Group has been building for over 20 years. They have delivered more than 20 million square feet and they have helped 50,000 families find their dream homes. Their projects like Pratik Edifice, Pratik Fedora and Pratik Style Home are landmarks in Noida. Mark you, not just buildings, they are landmarks. And then there is Pratik Grand City, a whole township in Siddharth Vihar, a community, a life and a city within the city. And that is the scale of the group behind Pratik Granary, and this context matters because you are about to take a decision this significant. 12.55 acres, low density. These words mean everything in real estate. It means you are not just crammed in, rather you have a room to live, a room to breathe. Greenery, beautiful greenery on all sides of this property, designed not as an afterthought, rather as the central idea of it. The residences here are 3 BHK, 4 BHK, duplex penthouses and golf view homes. And everything designed around one core philosophy, that is, space matters, not the size. Think about it for a second. It's not about how many square feet it is on the paper. Rather, it is about how that space makes you feel when you are living in it. And here is something that most projects can't promise. Pratik Granary had something that I would call a dual view advantage, because on one side you get these beautiful green landscapes of the golf course, and on the other side you have the beautiful view of Yamuna and Hindon River. Both of these very pretty views every single day uninterrupted. And that's not a feature, that's a privilege. Well, I have been looking forward to this part. Come on in. Wall-sized windows. You see how the light moves through the space? Well, that's not accidental. That is how this has been designed. Every detail here, the flow, the proportions, the openness, it all points back to the same philosophy, that is, space matters. And here it really does. Now look at this tech. Your private party space, open air, overlooking the golf course. This is where your Sunday mornings are spent. This is where your birthdays are celebrated, and this is the place where life actually gets lived. Prateek Cannery is not just flats, rather it's a lifestyle. It also offers you a grand 5-star double-decker clubhouse that overlooks the golf course. And it also has a resort-style swimming pool, sauna, spa, world-class gym, a restaurant, co-working spaces, a banquet hall, and literally every single sport you can think of, be it squash, badminton, table tennis, etc. And on the outside, you get cycling and jogging tracks, a skating rink, a half football court, children's play area, pet areas, and surrounding all of this beautiful landscape that is built into the DNA of this place. This is not a project that has amenities, rather this itself is an amenity. Possession December 2027. Payment plan 30% now and 70% at possession. And trust me, that is Prateek Group genuinely making it very easy for you to say yes. And that commitment does not end with possession. Prateek Group stays connected with its residents through wellness activities, community support and festival celebrations. They call it Life at Prateek, and trust me, it is an amazing one. And I'll leave you with this. Prateek Group's tagline is creating landmarks, setting benchmarks. And today, looking at this site, I truly believe it. Link to know more about it is in the description. If you are serious about it, call, visit the site and see the sample flat for yourself. Because some decisions are too important to be taken from the screen alone. Thank you.